So you need to automate your email campaigns with AI. Well, this software allows you to collect anyone's email or contact info with an online form, a chatbot, or whatever you want. You can even input the email or contact info into the software, but you can automate it through the custom workflow builder. And actually, let me just show you how to do it. So let's say you get somebody's email through like a custom form that you made. You would click sites and then forms appear, then builder, and you just create a form through here. One I made was just an example form. It's just going to be this simple one. And I actually filled it out myself and added my own email just so I can make this example for you guys. Okay, so they fill out the email, you get their email. Now what's next? So this is when you go back and actually add the automation where they get the tag and then they can receive, certain amount of emails or whatever you want to send. Okay, so they submitted the form. Now I want to add the tag. So I'm going to click the plus button. I'm going to select add tag. I'm going to add newsletter and I'm going to press save action. Okay, so they submitted the form. Now what's attached to their name and their email and everything they submitted is the tag newsletter. So I'm going to wait a little bit. Let's say I wait a day. And after that day, I'm going to start sending emails. So I'm going to press the plus button again, send email. And then this is where I can actually start the loop of them in the newsletter. So I'm just going to fill in all the email info here, type it in here, or you can just create a template and then you can add it through here. It would be here. But yeah, so that's basically how you do it. You would add all the emails, add the weights. You can see the customer engagement score and all of that in this one software, which is pretty crazy. It replaces a Beehive, replaces ConvertKit. Even though those may be a little better, this one software has automations and emails and so much things all in one software, which is pretty insane. I'd say definitely try it out. Use the link in the description. Try that free trial out. It's free for 1 week. I would recommend trying it out. And it's how I'm making monthly revenue at such a young age. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I gave you guys some good value and I'll see you guys in the next one.